Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining this video. Today I will show you how to enable safe browsing in the Carbon browser on your mobile phone. This feature helps protect you from dangerous websites, malicious downloads. First, open the Carbon browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, find and tap on Privacy and Security to access your browsing data options. Next, find the Safe Browsing option and tap on it to open the security settings. Then, choose Enhanced Protection to enable stronger security against harmful websites and downloads. Finally, close the settings and continue browsing, knowing that Carbon browser is now actively protecting you online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.